a very creative designer, a product, a son of Villaseñor.
I thought the goddesses of Olympus had descended. What lovely, sexy, I must say, daring gowns, perfectly fit for this lovely lady.
Indeed, for morning.
Was your gown inspired by any sort of those songs?
Of course, because we have the same designer. So we are going to come up for the castle.
So they need a microphone, Mr. Operator.
Okay, so before we proceed to the casual interview, we have another minor award for Bonnie.
A special award from Samstra Enterprises. And it is called Miss Showbiz Social. Yung parang atin ng red carpet,
Correct.
Aura. So,
ang favorite subject ng Pinoy here and abroad.
And to award this special award, may we call on Mr. Tomas Rigles, Jomar
Reglos,
and Mr. Cruz
Ramos. Please do the honors of awarding our Showbiz Social. Okay.
Pang red carpet ang Churalay Gabi.
Correct.
At sino kaya siya according to the Samstra Enterprise? Showbiz Social is candidate number 7.
Miss Pangasinan.
Another award still from Comfrey Enterprises is Miss New Placenta, trusted by world-class beauty.
And the winner is
To be presented by Miss Gian Pinoyor, 2011 Look of the Year Philippines, and Mr. Jomar Reglos, Mr. Olive C. Cockroach Model Search 2012, second runner-up. And Miss New Placenta is none other than
contestant number 10. Miss Barbie Kalimlim is our new Miss Placenta. Another minor award is our Miss Olive C. The stardom begins with pimple-free and blemish-free complexion. To award our Miss Olive C, we have Mr. Alden Malapi, and Miss Gian Steele Pinoyor. May we request her to be with us once again. And our Miss Olive C is contestant number